Hi everyone, welcome to Solved Pages YouTube channel. Today we'll see how to automate the backups using third-party backup tools. So in the market we have a lot of free third-party backup tools. So one of them is SQL Backup and FTP. So this is one of the third-party tools to take a backup. You can use it for free. So let's download this one, SQL Backup and FTP. This one, yeah. So you can download it for free. So let's open this one. Let's run as administrator. Next, agree, install. So first we have to connect to the instance. Select Microsoft SQL Server. So these are my instances we have in my PC. So I'm selecting node 1. So here I'm selecting SQL Server Authentication. Administrator is my username and I'm providing the password. You can test the connection here and you have to select the databases. I'm selecting these few databases here. So I'm selecting 3 databases here. Now we have to give the path. Select the local path. Inside a backup folder, I'm creating a new folder, SQL Backup and FTP. And then we have to schedule the backups. Full backup, I mean, we can configure different backups with the different schedules. So full backup every 24 hours, differential backup every 12 hours, transaction log backup for every 5 minutes. And you can also send a notification to the email. If it is success, then it has to go to the email. For the failure also, you can put an email. So if you don't want to wait for the schedule, you can run it now. See, the backup is completed. And you can check the backups as well. And O drive, backups. Here you can see these are the backups. See the date, 14th December. And also you can see the notification, mail notification. See here, this one. Backup job has been completed successfully. See, like this. Even though if it is failed, you get a notification. This is the previous one. So like this, it can send an email as well. So it is free. You can use it for free. You can download it and you can use it for free. A link I'll be giving in the description if you want. Thanks for watching.